Welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. My name's Wyatt Groth, the owner of Hammersmith, and in today's Workshed video I'm going to be talking to you about this water plug. So this product you see here on the screen is a round tapered plug, and we call it a water plug because that's specifically what it's designed for. So here in Adelaide we had a request from the local water department. They wanted us to come up with a round plug that they could use to basically plug pipes when they're needing to repair them. And so they basically came to us with some dimensions. They needed it to fit inside a plug, a pipe that I think would vary in size. So this is manufactured, it ends up being about 35 millimeters on this end, and it tapers down to about as small as we can go on the lathe. This section that you see here on the end of it, this is really just purely for us to be able to have something to hold on to both ends on the lathe. You'll see in the video shortly what I'm meaning. But what actually happens is this particular part just gets snapped off by the water department, and then what they do is they just use a hammer and whack it into the end of the pipe just to seal the pipe basically. So it's a simple product, but as you see by the video, it's quite a complex way of we produce it. We produce it on one of our Mattison Rotary knife lathes. And when you take a look at the video, what we actually do at some stage in the video is we stop the particular cutter head that is turning it, and then we show you in slow motion how the actual cutter head carves this product out, gives you a better idea as to how it's made. Anyway, that's a bit of talk. The video explains it a lot better, so let's cut to the video. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw there in the manufacture of this water plug. As is usually the case, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon, that way you're notified when new videos land. And remember to hit the like button. This is Wyatt Groth, signing off.